Okay, students, question number 17 from Algebra past paper. It is of May, June 16, and it's a question of binomial, right? We have to expand up to x cube of the given fraction, right? So, first of all, सबसे पहले हमने इसको न्यूमरेटर में लेकर आए. It will be 1 minus 2x whole power minus 1 upon 2. And now we have to expand up to x cube. So now it will be 1 plus n x plus n minus 1 n minus 1 upon 2 factorial x squared plus n minus 1 n minus 2 upon 3 factorial x cube. We have to go up to x cube. Okay, here it will be 1, 2 and 2 cancel out, minus minus plus x. इसको solve करके जरा calculator से what is the result of this fraction? Yes, what is the result of the fraction? What? 3 upon 2 multiplied by 4. Everything? Right. So it is plus 3 upon 2. Next one, x squared. Then next fraction. What? Minus 1 means minus x cube. Check कर लीजिए. Positive. It is positive 5 upon 2 x cube. It is positive 5 upon 2 x cube. So this is the expansion of the given binomial question. Are you clear? It's a question of 4 marks. You guys have to do in 6 minutes. How many minutes? 6 minutes. And it's a very simple question. I think we can do it in maximum 4 minutes, right? Now, after question number 17, question number 8 is from May, June 16, paper 3-2. Part 1 is about the partial fraction. जब भी partial fraction का question solve करें, check कर लिया करें whether the fraction is proper or improper. What is the degree of numerator? 2. What is the degree of denominator? What is the degree of denominator? 2. So it's a question of improper fraction. It's a question of जब degree same हो जाए तो improper. Numerator की ज़्यादा हो जाए तो improper. Numerator की कम हो जाए तो proper. Right? So it's a question of improper fraction. We are doing this 4x squared plus 7x plus 4 divided by 2x plus 1 x plus 2 equals to. Beta, what is the degree of numerator? What is the degree of numerator? What is the degree of denominator? 2 minus 2, 0. 0 means constant. 0 means constant. So we have to add a constant first, then we have to start the question. It is 2x plus 1 plus x plus 2. What is the degree of denominator? 1. So a constant here, the degree of denominator 1, again a constant here. Now 4x squared plus 7x plus 4 equals to, with a the both brackets, 2x plus 1 into x plus 2 with b x plus 2, and with c 2x plus 1. Now let the first bracket 2x plus 1 equals to 0. What is the value of x? Minus 1 over 2. When x is minus 1 over 2, then what is the left hand side? Calculated. Left hand side is 1 equals to, the first term is 0 because of 2x plus 1. 3 upon 2. The left hand side is 3 upon 2. And here it is with b, we have minus half plus 2, and the last term is 0. So minus half plus 2 will be, minus half plus 2 will be 3 upon 2 equals to b times 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2 cancel out. The value of b is 1. The value of b is 1. After that, let x plus 2 is 0. So what is the value of x? What is the value of x? Minus 2. At minus 2, what is the left hand side? Six. The left hand side is 6 equals to first 0, second 0. We'll get the third value. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 plus 1. It is minus 3. So c equals to 6 divided by minus 3, minus 2. And after that, the third one is by coefficient comparison. A into 2x is 2ax. And then 2ax squared. और कहीं पर भी x square नहीं है. x square के साथ क्या मिला हमें? 2a equals to, left side पर x square के साथ क्या है? 4. What is the value of a? The value of a is 2. Are you clear? We calculated the values of a, b, and c. Any confusion? We are not doing the second part because it's a pure question of integration. We'll do after the topic of integration. Now, question number 19. It's a question of modulus functions. We have to calculate the value of x. How to calculate the value of x squaring both the side. Squaring both the side. Left hand side का जब square होगा तो 2 square is 4. In the bracket x minus 2 squared greater than 3x plus 1 squared. By whole square formula, it will be 4a squared minus 2ab plus b squared 4. Here it is 9x squared plus 6x plus 1. Now 4x squared minus 4x, 16x, or this is 16 greater than plus 16. This is 9x squared plus 6x plus 1. 4x squared minus 9x squared is minus 5x squared minus 16x minus 6x minus 22x plus 16 minus 1 is, बेटा आपको बताया गया था जब भी क्वाड्रेटिक इनइक्वालिटी सॉल्व करते हैं तो कंडीशंस क्या होती हैं? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पर एक्सप्रेशन हो. क्या लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पर एक्सप्रेशन है? यस. राइट हैंड साइड हो 0 के इक्वल. क्या 0 के इक्वल है? यस. और x squared positive हो. But here x squared is negative. So first convert this x squared in positive, multiply with minus 1. So it will be 5x squared plus 22x minus 15 is greater than 0, is less than 0. Sign inequality का change हो जाएगा minus से multiply होने के बाद. Now what are the two values of x? What? 3 upon 5 and minus 5. These are the two values. So x, the answer is minus 5, smaller value here, larger value here. जो साइन होता है लास्ट स्टेप का वो साइन आ जाएगा x के दोनों तरफ. Smaller value towards left and larger value towards right. And now this is the question of 4 marks. You have to solve in 6 minutes, right? Question number 20 is of May June 16, paper 3-3. Question of 10 marks. You guys have to solve this question in 15 minutes, right? But inshallah, हम लोग इसको जल्दी ही solve कर लेंगे. The first question, the first part is partial fraction. What is the degree of numerator? What is the degree of numerator? 2. What is the degree of denominator? 3. Numerator की degree, बेटा maximum degree power of x. Denominator multiplication के बाद maximum power of x 3. So it's a proper fraction, right? Because the numerator degree is less than the degree of denominator, right? Now, in the first part, 10x minus 2x squared divided by x plus 3, x minus 1 whole squared. Now, first x plus 3. अगर बच्चों होल पर पावर आ जाए तो इसको क्या कहा जाता है? रिपीटेड फ्रैक्शन. क्या कहा जाता है? रिपीटेड फ्रैक्शन. अभी पावर 2 है तो हमें 2 बार लिखना होगा. पावर 3 होती तो 3 बार लिखना होता. 4 होती तो 4 बार लिखना होता. अभी पावर 2 है तो 2 बार लिखना होगा. एक बार पावर 1 के साथ और एक बार पावर 2 के साथ. और अगर क्यूब होता तो एक बार पावर 3 के साथ. 4 होता तो एक बार पावर 4 के साथ. इस तरीके से हम चलते जाएंगे. डिसेंडिंग पावर से लेकर ऊपर तक जाएंगे हम, राइट? Now, the first here, what is the degree of denominator? 1. So here it is a constant. Degree of denominator of the second, 1. Here it is constant. Degree of denominator of the third, whole पर 2 है लेकिन in the bracket देखते हैं तो 1. So here it is C. ब्रैकेट के अंदर की डिग्री देखी जाती है, बाहर की नहीं. ठीक हो गया? Now, अब आइए 10x minus 2x square equals to a के साथ जब क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो x minus 1 होल स्क्वायर. b के साथ जब क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो x plus 3 into x minus 1. और c के साथ जब क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो x plus 3. Any confusion? Clear? Now, first let x plus 3 equals to 0. What is left hand side when x is minus 3? Yes, minus 30 and what is the answer? Minus 48? Yes, minus 48 equals 1. The first 0, second 0, sorry, the first will get the value. X is minus 3, minus 1, whole square. The second 0 and the third is 0 because of x plus 3. What is the value of A? 48 divided by 16. 48 divided by 16, 3. So the answer is minus 3. Now, second, let x minus 1 is equal to 0, x equals to 1. What is the left hand side when x is 1? 8 equals to the first 0, second 0 will get the value of C, 1 plus 3. So C is equals to 8 divided by 4, 2. And after that, by coefficient comparison, we have to calculate the value of A. पहला ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे तो x स्क्वायर मिलेगा, ax स्क्वायर, और फिर दूसरा b के साथ प्लस bx स्क्वायर, नथिंग मोर. x स्क्वायर के साथ a मिल रहा है और b मिल रहा है. x स्क्वायर के साथ लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पर minus 2. So the value of b is minus 2 minus a is minus 3. So the value of b is 1. Therefore, we can say that the final answer is, what is a? Minus 3 over x plus 3. What is b? Plus 1 over x minus 1. What is c? Plus 2 over x minus 1. whole squared. This is the first part. Clear? And after that, in the second part, we have to expand up to x squared. We have to expand up to x squared. एक्सपेंशन के लिए पहले अरेंज करेंगे इसको कैसे? -3 ओवर पहले कांस्टेंट फिर x. अब आप देखिए, अगर यहां पर मैं पहले कांस्टेंट लेकर आऊंगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? -1 प्लस x. हम एक काम करते हैं, -1 पहले कॉमन ले लीजिए. -1 जब कॉमन लिया तो इट विल बी 1 माइनस x, और जब -1 कॉमन लिया तो ये माइनस हो गया, राइट? प्लस 2 अपॉन, इसको तो मैं डायरेक्टली लिख सकता हूँ 1 माइनस एक्स का होल स्क्वायर, क्योंकि जब मैंने -1 कॉमन लिया तो स्क्वायर की वजह से वो क्या हो गया? प्लस हो गया. अगर होल पर स्क्वायर हो तो चाहे x-1 लिखा हुआ है चाहे 1 माइनस एक्स लिखा हुआ है, बोथ आर सेम, बोथ आर सेम. नाउ अब व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट स्टेप? पहली टर्म सबकी 1 होनी चाहिए. सो डिनोमिनेटर की -3 ओवर 3 कॉमन, 1 प्लस x ओवर 3 minus 1 over 1 minus x plus 2 over 1 minus x whole square. Any confusion? Hopefully no. 3 and 3 cancel out. It will be minus 1 plus x over 3 power minus 1 minus 1 minus x power minus 1 plus 2 1 minus x power minus 2. This is equation 1. Now we have to expand the 3 brackets individually up to x squared. So now I am expanding the first, which is 1 plus x over 3 whole power minus 1. It will be 1 plus n x plus n minus 1 upon 2 factorial x squared. So it will be 1 minus x over 3. This will be minus 1 minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 1 is 2. 2 and 2 cancel out. So plus x square over 9. Any confusion? Clear? Now, next one. 1 minus x whole power minus 1 is equals to 1 plus n x plus n minus 1 upon 2 factorial x square. So this one will be 1 plus x square. And a third one, 1 minus x whole power minus 2. It will be 1 plus n x plus n minus 1 upon 2 factorial x square. So it will be 1 plus 2x minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. 2 and 2 cancel out, minus 3 and minus plus 3 plus 3x square. This is the expansion of the third bracket. Are you clear? Up to x square. Now the equation 1 will be, बेटा पहला ब्रैकेट का एक्सपेंशन माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई हो रही है. So it will be -1 plus, लिखवाइए, माइनस x square over 9. दूसरे की भी माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई हो रही है, देन -1 minus x minus x square, और तीसरी की एक्सपेंशन 2 से मल्टीप्लाई हो रही है, 2 plus 4x plus 6x square. कैलकुलेटर निकाल लीजिए. The first constant is -1 and 2. Constant तो 0 हो गया. -1 minus 2 and 2 0. अब जरा कीजिए 1/3 -1 plus 4. 1/3 -1 10/3x. फिर आप कीजिए -1/9 -1 plus 6 plus 44/9 x square. This is the expansion up to x square. Are you clear? We solved this in 9 minutes, right? And it's a question of 15 minutes. Okay. Yes, question number 21, it's of October, November, paper 3-1. Again, question of modulus function, squaring both the side. So it will be 2x minus 5 whole squared greater than 3 squared is 9, 2x plus 1 whole squared. So it is 4x squared minus 20x plus 25 greater than 9, 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. So 4x squared minus 20x plus 25 greater than 9 into 4, 36x squared, 9 into 4, 36x, 9 into 1, 9, 4x squared minus 36x squared, 32x squared with negative sign, minus 20, minus 36, minus 56, x 25 minus 9 is 16 plus 16 greater than 0. Again, x squared को positive करना है. Multiply with minus 1. So 32x squared plus 56x minus 16 less than 0. What are the critical values? Minus and 1 over 4. Minus 2 and 1 over 4. The two critical values are here. जो भी लास्ट स्टेप का साइन हो x के दोनों तरफ वो साइन लगेगा, smaller value here and the larger value here. Are you clear? Any confusion? No. Now, question number 22, it is October, November 15, paper 3-1. The question is polynomial. This is denoted by px. It is given that x plus 1 is the factor. X plus 1 is a factor. And that when px is divided by 2x plus 1, the remainder is 1. Okay. Find the value of a and b. But so the two conditions are here, and we have to make two equations. And we have to make two equations so that we can get the value of a and b. Now, the first condition is if x plus 1 is the factor, then the remainder is 0. If x plus 1 is the factor, then the remainder is 0. Can I say that p of minus 1 is 0? हमने यहां से x की वैल्यू निकाली. x की वैल्यू क्या आई? -1. इसको 0 से इक्वेट करते हुए, अब इसको 0 से इक्वेट करेंगे तो x की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? -1/2. और इस पर रिमाइंडर क्या बन रहा है? p ऑफ -12. अगर -12 रख दिया जाए तो आंसर क्या आएगा? 1 आएगा. These two conditions are given, and by the help of these two conditions we have to calculate the value of a and b, right? So now -1 रख रहे हैं बच्चों x की जगह पर in the polynomial. So it will be the first -8 plus a minus b minus 1 equal to 0. Can I write it like a minus b equals to 9? A minus b equals to 9. And now the second one, -12. तो बच्चों 8 के साथ -1/8 प्लस a के साथ 1/4 प्लस b के साथ -1/2 -1 equals to 1. Cancellation. Here it will be -1 -1, लास्ट जो कांस्टेंट है -1 -2, ये दोनों चले गए उस तरफ. So 2 plus 1 is 3, and here it is a/4 minus b/2. By taking LCM of 4, it is a minus 2b equals to 3, and a minus 2b equals to 12. This is equation 2. What is the value of a? 12 minus 12 plus 2b. Replace in the first equation. So 12 plus 2b minus b equals to 9. 2b minus b is b. 9 minus 12 is -3. So what is the value of a? 3 2s are 6. The value is 6. Right? These are the values of a and b. Are you clear? Any confusion? Now, after that, in the second part, again, it's a question of 3 marks. Factorize the polynomial completely. फैक्टराइज द पॉलिनोमियल कंप्लीटली, इसको फैक्टराइज करना है हमें। फैक्टराइज करने के आपने कई मेथड सीखे हैं, फैक्टराइज करने के आपने कई मेथड सीखे हैं। मैं लॉन्ग डिवीजन से इस बार कर रहा हूं ना। 8x³ प्लस 6x² माइनस 3x माइनस 1 किससे डिवाइड कर रहे हैं? x प्लस 1 से। किससे नाम? x प्लस 1 से, बिकॉज x प्लस 1 इज द फैक्टर। सुना, हमें क्या बनाना है? 8x³ किससे मल्टीप्लाई करवाएं? 8x² मल्टीप्लाई हुआ तो 8x³ और 8x² इंटू 1 है प्लस 8x²। नीचे वाली एक्सप्रेशन के साइंस चेंज, माइनस माइनस, हियर इट इज माइनस 2x² माइनस 3x माइनस 1 किससे मल्टीप्लाई करवाएं? माइनस 2x इंटू x इज माइनस 2x² माइनस 2x इंटू 1 इज माइनस 2x, साइंस चेंज, प्लस प्लस कैंसिल आउट, माइनस x माइनस 1 किससे मल्टीप्लाई करवाएं? माइनस 1 से, सो माइनस x माइनस 1 फिनिश। Therefore, the factor, पॉलिनोमियल के फैक्टर क्या बने? पहला फैक्टर x प्लस 1 और दूसरा फैक्टर 8x² minus 2x minus 1. What are the two more factors of this quadratic factor? The two factors are, first is x 1 upon 2 and the second is x minus 1 upon 4. Can I write 1 upon 2 will be 2x minus 1, and can I write the second 4x minus 1? These are 4x plus 1. These are the three factors of cubic polynomial. Are you clear? Any confusion? No, that's great. A question of 8 marks. Next question is of October, November 50. Is from paper 3-3. Question of 3 marks. We have to calculate the values of A and B. आपसे क्या कहा गया? अंडर रूट क्यूब रूट 1 plus 9x का एक्सपेंशन इसके बराबर है, and the expansion is given, right? So just we have to expand cube root of 1 plus 9x and compare the expansion with this, so we'll get the value of A and B, right? So now we are expanding this 1 plus 9x, 1 plus 9x whole power 1 upon 3. कहां तक एक्सपेंड करना है? क्यूब तक. So it will be 1 plus n x plus n, use your calculators, n minus 1 upon 2 factorial 9x, here it is 9x, sorry, 9x squared plus n minus 1 n minus 2 upon 3 factorial 9x cube. एक एक factors, एक एक fraction solve करते रहिए. So now the first 1 plus, it is 3 3s are 9 x. What is next? Minus 9 minus 9x squared. What is next? (45) plus 45 x cube. Therefore, we can say that the value of A is the coefficient of x squared minus 9 and the value of B is 45. Are you clear? These are the two values, right? Here it is x cube not x square. Question number 27 is of May, June 15. Show that for small values of x square, this where the value of the constant k is to be determined, we have to calculate the value of k. We have to calculate the value of k. Now, question number 27. It is of May, June 15. Paper 3-1. Paper 3-1. Now, we have to calculate the value of k. We have to calculate the value of k. और k की वैल्यू क्या है? x की पावर 4 का कोफिशिएंट. So first bracket 1 minus 2x squared whole power minus 2 को एक्सपेंड करेंगे. 1 plus n x plus n minus 1 upon 2 factorial x squared. So now it will be 1 plus 4x squared, and the next term is, what is this? Plus 12x power 4. ये आ रहा है? Now next one, 1 plus 6x squared power 2 upon 3. It will be 1 plus n x plus n minus 1 upon 2 factorial x squared. The first term is 1 and the second term is 4x squared, and the third term is minus 4x power 4. Now we have to subtract both of them. So what is the power 4 value in the first expansion? 12x power 4 minus 4x 4. So it will be 12x power 4 plus 4x power 4, and the answer is 16x power 4. Therefore, we can say that the value of k is 16. Are you clear? A simple question of 6 marks. Question number 28 of May, June 15, paper 3-2. What is the degree of numerator? What is the degree of denominator? 3. Proper fraction है 5x squared plus x plus 6 divided by 3 minus 2x x squared plus 4 3 minus 2x. Here it is a plus x squared plus 4, and here it is bx plus c, because denominator is power 2, degree 2, so numerator is of degree 1. By cross multiplication with a we have x squared plus 4, and with bx plus c we have 3 minus 2x. Now let 3 minus 2x equals to 0. The value of x is 3 upon 2. At 3 upon 2, what is the left hand side? At 3 upon 2, what is the left hand side? $75 upon 4, and the right hand side is 9 upon 4 plus 4, plus the second term is 0. Now, so it will be 75 upon 4 equals to a times 16 plus 9, 25 upon 4. 4 and 4 cancel out. 75 divided by 25 is 3. The value of a is 3. After that, एक x नजर आ रहा है, तो हम कह रहे हैं let x equals to 0. So the left hand side is 6. The value of a is 3. Here it is 4. plus the second bracket bx is 0, c remaining, and here it is 3 remaining. 4 3s are 12, minus 6 equals to 3c, and the value of c is -2. जहां x आ जाए वहां पर एक बार x equal to 0 भी कर लिया करें. And after that, the last thing, coefficient comparison, ax squared minus 2 bx squared. So a minus 2b equals to, the coefficient of x squared is 5. We have to calculate the value of b. So minus 2b equals to 5 minus a, and the value of b is 5 minus 3 over minus 2. So the value of b is -1. So therefore, the final answer is a is 3 over 3 minus 2x plus b is -1 and c is -2 minus x minus 2 over x squared plus 4. Any confusion? Now, after that, in the second part, we have to expand up to x squared. We have to expand up to x squared. So now, here is the second part. First, we are arranging this 3 over 3 minus 2x. Minus common ले रहे हैं ऊपर से, तो it will be minus x plus 2 over 4 plus x squared. From the denominator, take 3 common, so that the first term will be equal to 1. 2x over 3 minus x plus 2 divided by 4 common. 1 plus x square over 4. So now, it will be 3 and 3 cancel. 1 minus 2x over 3 whole power -1 minus x plus 2 over 4 times 1 plus x square over 4 power -1. Clear? Equation 1. Now, first expand 1 minus 2x over 3 power -1. It will be 1 plus n x plus n minus 1 upon 2 factorial x square. ऐसा ही है. So it will be 1 plus 2 over 3x -1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. 2 and 2 cancel out. It is plus 4x square over 9. Second bracket 1 plus x square over 4 power -1. So it will be 1 plus n x plus n minus 1 upon 2 factorial x. हमें तो x स्क्वायर तक जाना है ना बच्चों, तो आगे जाने की नीड ही नहीं, x स्क्वायर आ गया ना. So here it is 1 minus x square over 4. Therefore, the equation 1 will be 1 plus 2 over 3x plus 4 over 9x squared minus x plus 2 over 4 in the bracket 1 minus x square over 4. यहाँ पर कंफ्यूज होता है स्टूडेंट्स के हाउ टू सॉल्व. आप लोग देखिएगा कैसे सॉल्व करना है इसको. प्लस 4 over 9x squared minus x plus 2 over 4. Take LCM in the bracket. So it will be 4 minus x square over 4. And after that, 1 plus 2 over 3x plus 4 over 9 x squared minus multiply कीजिए. X into 4, 4x. X into x squared, x cube. लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि we need x square only. 2 into 4, 8, and 2 into this minus 2x squared whole divided by 16. Now it will be 1 plus 2 over 3x plus 4 over 9x squared. LCM break कर दीजिए. 4x over 16 will be 1 upon 4x. Minus की वजह से minus. 8 upon 16 will be 1 upon 2. Minus की वजह से minus. 2 upon 16 is 1 upon 8. Minus minus. plus 1 upon 8 x square. From your calculators, 1 minus half is half. 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4 plus 5 upon 12 x 4 upon 9 plus 1 upon 8. What? 41 upon 72. X squared is the expansion up to x squared. Are you clear? Question number 29. It's of modulus function. May June 15, paper 3-3. Squaring both the side. So it will be x minus 2 whole squared greater than 2x minus 3 whole squared a squared minus 2ab plus b squared a squared minus 2ab plus b squared x squared minus 4x squared minus 3x squared minus 4x plus 12x plus 8x 4 minus 9 minus 5 x squared को पॉजिटिव कीजिए 3x squared minus 8x plus 5 less than 0. What are the two values? What are the two values? 5 upon 3 and 1. So how to write the result? X, last step sign here and here. 1 is at this side, left hand side, and 5 upon 3 is at right hand side. Are you clear? Any confusion? Yes, boys, any confusion? No, but the confusion is we are not allowed to write answer like this when the question is like एक तरफ मॉड्यूलस हो और एक तरफ मॉड्यूलस ना हो. इस तरीके से आंसर कब लिखा जाता है? जब दोनों तरफ मॉड्यूलस हो. जब दोनों तरफ मॉड्यूलस हो. इस तरीके से आंसर कब लिखा जाता है? जब दोनों तरफ मॉड्यूलस हो. और अब यहां पर हम किस तरीके से लिखेंगे जनाब? फर्स्ट वी हैव टू स्केच. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू स्केच. नाउ how to sketch the diagram? सुनिएगा. How to sketch the diagram? Let's say the left hand side is y equals to x minus 2 with red, x minus 2 with red, and the right hand side is y equals to, and the right hand side is y equals to y equals to 2x minus 3 with green. मॉड्यूलस कैसे स्केच होता है? हमेशा v बनकर आएगा और v हमेशा x एक्सिस पर होगा. तो इसकी x की वैल्यू कैसे आएगी? इक्वेट दिस विद 0. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ x? द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज 2. 2 पर आइए और एक v बना दीजिए. बन गया v. Any confusion? This one is a straight line. Straight line के लिए when x is 0, y is minus 3. Y is minus 3. When y is 0, x is 3 upon 2, 1.5. 3 upon 2 is 1.5. इसको मैं 1.5 लिख रहा हूं. जरा मुझे बताइएगा 5 upon 3 कितना होता है? 1.6. ये है 1.5. अब आप देखिए हमारे पास 2 पॉइंट आए x के. एक आया 1.6 और एक आया 1. अगर मैं स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ करता हूं तो बच्चों ये इंटरसेक्शन जो आएगा, क्या ये 1 पर आ सकता है? 1 तो कहीं यहां पर है, 2 यहां पर है, तो 1 कहीं यहां पर है, बिफोर 1.5. तो आफ्टर 1.5 ये जो इंटरसेक्शन आया, आफ्टर 1.5 ये जो इंटरसेक्शन आया, ये किस पॉइंट का होगा? 5/3 का होगा. किसका होगा? 1.6 का होगा. और अब जरा देखिएगा एग्जामिनर क्वेश्चन क्या कर रहा है. एग्जामिनर क्वेश्चन कर रहा है बेटा मॉड्यूलस फंक्शन का ग्राफ, रेड ग्राफ ग्रेटर देन, ऊपर रहे ग्रीन ग्राफ से, लाइन के ग्राफ से, रेड ग्राफ ऊपर रहे ग्रीन ग्राफ से। तो बेटा रेड ग्राफ ऊपर ग्रीन ग्राफ से कब है, सुनिएगा, इस इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट पे दोनों ग्राफ एक ही जगह पर है। इसके बाद रेड ग्राफ नीचे हो गया, इससे पहले रेड ग्राफ ऊपर। हमें आंसर क्या देना है, रेड ग्राफ ऊपर रहे ग्रीन ग्राफ से। तो देयरफॉर द फाइनल आंसर इज x is less than 5/3. दिस इज द फाइनल रिजल्ट कि 5/3 से कम इंटरसेक्शन से पहले रेड वाला ग्राफ ऊपर है और ग्रीन वाला ग्राफ नीचे है। तो पता ये चला कि जब दोनों तरफ मॉड्यूलस आ जाए तो आंख बंद करके आंसर लिख दीजिए, लेकिन अगर एक तरफ मॉड्यूलस और एक तरफ मॉड्यूलस ना हो तो फिर हमें ग्राफ स्केच करने के बाद फिर आंसर लिखना होगा। इज दिस क्लियर? दैट्स ग्रेट। Okay, students, now question number 30 is May June 15, paper 3-3. First partial fraction question. What is the degree of numerator? What is the degree of denominator? 3. It's a proper fraction, right? So now the first 11x plus 7 divided by 2x minus 1 x plus 2 का whole square equals to first 2x minus 1, second x plus 2 with power 1, third x plus 2 with power 2. SI. Now, what is the degree of first denominator? 1. Here it is 0 degree. Again 0 degree. Again 0 degree. What is the degree of denominator? 1. In the bracket देखा जाता है, whole bracket की degree नहीं देखी जाती, right? So now 11x plus 7 equals to, with a, it will be x plus 2 whole square plus b, it will be 2x minus 1 and x plus 2, and with c, it will be 2x minus 1. The first, let 2x minus 1 equal to 0. The value of x is 1/2. When x is 1/2, what is the left hand side? 25/4. What is the left hand side? 25/2 equals to 2x plus 1 की वजह से दो टर्म 0, b और c वाली टर्म में आ जाएगा, half plus 2 whole square. So it will be 25/2 equals to a के साथ it will be 2 to the 4 5, 25/4. So after cancellation, the value of a is 2. The value of a is 2. And now let x plus 2 equals to 0. What is the value of x? Then the left hand side will be minus 22 plus 7 minus equals to first term 0, second term 0, c आ जाएगा, -4 -1 -5. So c is 3. And after that coefficient comparison, first bracket expansion के बाद ax square and the second bracket is b into 2x is 2bx, then x is 2bx square. So 2b is the coefficient, equals to x square is 0. So what is the value of b? The value of b is minus a over 2. So the value of b is -1. This is the answer of the first part. We are not doing the second part. The second part is the question of integration. We'll do after the topic of integration.